Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a set of spanners, a screwdriver, and a clean cloth. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps during the process. Start by unplugging the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 from the mains. Safety is paramount, and working with electrical appliances requires caution. Once unplugged, place the appliance on a stable surface to prevent any accidents. Next, remove the outer casing of the motor. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located at the back and sides of the unit. Use your screwdriver to carefully take out these screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the casing to expose the internal components. Now, you will want to inspect the motor for any signs of wear or debris. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any dust or dirt that may have accumulated inside. This step is essential as it ensures that the lubrication process is effective and that no contaminants interfere with the motor's operation. With the motor exposed and clean, it's time to apply the lubricant. Use a high-quality motor oil suitable for the Silvercrest SKMC 1200. Apply a few drops of oil to the bearings and any moving parts you can see. Be careful not to over-lubricate, as this can lead to excess buildup and potential damage. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. After applying the lubricant, reassemble the motor by carefully placing the outer casing back on. Ensure that all screws are tightened securely to prevent any rattling or movement during operation. Once the casing is back in place, plug the appliance back into the mains. Before you start using it, it's advisable to run the motor for a few minutes to allow the lubricant to circulate properly. Listen for any unusual noises, which could indicate that further attention is needed. If you encounter any issues, or if the motor does not seem to be functioning correctly, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice without any commitment to proceed with repairs. Finally, always keep an eye on the performance of your Silvercrest SKMC 1200. Regular maintenance, including lubrication, will extend the life of your appliance and ensure it runs smoothly. If you ever need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you can effectively lubricate your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 motor and maintain its performance for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.